All right, would you please state your first name?
Yes, my name is Ruben.
All right, Ruben, what symptoms first brought you into Palmetto Physical Medicine?
I first came here about a year ago, suffering from really severe lower back pain. It was so severe that I couldn't even tie my shoes. I couldn't straighten up after bending over, staying bent over for any length of time.
All right, well, how severe would you rate those symptoms for you on a scale from 1 to 10?
Those symptoms were extremely severe. It was, I would say, probably somewhere at least 8 on most mornings, and it could be bad enough to literally stop me in my tracks. So I would say between 8 and 10.
Okay. Well, on a day-to-day basis, how is this affecting your life?
It was really making my life miserable. I would start out the first thing in the morning tying my shoes and try to go from a bent over to standing position, and it would take sometimes 5 minutes to get to a fully upright position. So it was extremely painful. It was keeping me from doing the things that I like to do, and I like to stay pretty active. And I like to run and do things outside and outdoors, hike, those kind of things. So it was beginning to seriously affect my life, which that really started to bother me.
Okay. Well, when you came here, what services did you receive?
I think I got everything. I got, first of all, I came with just looking for chiropractic care. That was really what drew me here, and I was referred by a friend. And I came here looking for chiropractic care because that had helped me in the past. But I was really surprised to see that I got not only chiropractic care, I got physical care, physical medicine, trigger point injections. I was surprised to get physical therapy and occupational therapy as well as just some lifestyle counseling, just how to implement what I was taught, how to use it, how to make it work for me, and it has worked beautifully.
Outstanding. What was your experience like with the overall process that you went through here?
Well, I've said it before and I'll say it again. This is the way that doctors' offices should be run. Hey, I should come in here and and I did. I came in here and I got the waiting times were surprisingly short. So I'm usually in and out quicker than I want to be, actually. So because I like the services, the people are great. That was what really just blew me away, was coming here and having everything under one roof that I needed, and the folks are just so professional and so good at what they do.
Outstanding. Well, how has the process that we went through here changed your life?
Tremendously, actually. I went from really feeling my age. I was 56 when I first started coming here, 57 now. So I was really starting to worry that this was going to be a downhill slide from here to whenever. And I was really starting to worry that there were serious things wrong with my frame, my muscles, and I was having a real problem. So to be able to go back to doing everything that I like to do, I still do body weight exercises. I still do today. I go home and run today, and I do sprint running. I do basically any physical activity that I like to do that I always have done. So it's enabled me to stay very active and stay mobile, and just to do the things I like to do and not have to fear extreme pain and my pain. I still occasionally have a little twinge here and there, but I know what to do now, thanks to the folks in physical therapy. I know how to attack it, and I do. And it has been a great investment in my health and just my overall ability to function.
Outstanding. What would you recommend Palmetto Physical Medicine to your friends and family?
Absolutely, no question. I'm really surprised. Like I said, I started a year ago, but within a month or so, I started seeing vast improvements in my ability to move, my ability to do things pain-free. So, yeah, I would definitely, if you want to take charge of your health, get in here and take their advice and do what they say for a lot of reasons, but they're just nice people too. So come in here and get well. That's what you should do.
Outstanding. Thank you so much, Ruben. That's it.
All right.
That was amazing.
Was that good?
That was a great testimony. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Glad to do it.
Yeah.
It's the truth, too.
Well, I